Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in the last video, we already learned about multiples and factors. And now we enter a new material that is common multiples and lowest common multiples or LCM. We usually call it by KPK in Indonesia or kelipatan persekutuan terkecil. And now, before we start our video, please reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get started.
Common multiples in Indonesia is called kelipatan persekutuan, and lowest common multiples or LCM in Indonesia is called kelipatan persekutuan terkecil or KPK. This material is still related to our last material, that is multiples. Common multiples and lowest common multiples or LCM is still in second term capture 7. And now let's recheck for the case. Every 4 seconds a toy plays a cymbal. Every 6 seconds another toy hits a drum. When will the cymbal and drum be played together? So we can using common multiples to solve this problem. The cymbal will be played every multiple of 4 seconds. So we can put multiples of 4 here. Multiples of 4 is 4, 8 seconds, 12 seconds, 16 seconds, 24, 28, 32, 36, and go on. Because of the drum will be hit every multiples of 6 seconds, we can put multiples of 6 here. Multiples of 6 is 6 seconds, 12 seconds, 18 seconds, 24 seconds, 42 seconds, and go on. The question is, when will the cymbal and drum be played together? So common multiples is every same number of the multiple 4 and 6. And we have 12, 24, 36 as a common multiples of 4 and 6. So the answer of the question, the cymbal and the drum will be played together on the 12th, 24th, 36 seconds. Another example. What are the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3? We are going to list all of multiple of 2 here until we find the first 3 common multiples. And the multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, and go on. Because the question is first 3 common multiples, we are going to find the 3 numbers of common multiples 2 and 3. So the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 3, and how to find the common multiples is you only need to find the same number of the multiple 2 and 3. And then the question is the first 3 common multiples, so we need to find 3 number of the common multiples. However, 2 is smallest number among them, but 2 is only in the multiples of 2. So we are looking for the common multiples. The smaller number of the common multiples is 6. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, because 6 is the smaller number of the common multiples 2 and 3. And now let's try another method to find the LCM. The first method is using table method. The way to find is draw the table of 2 columns and then find the number that is divisible to both of the numbers. What is the number who can divide it 8 and 12? We can choose number 2 to divide it both of them. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And we have 4 and 6 here. And the number who can divide 4 and 6 is 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 and 3 doesn't have a factor, so we can choose one of them. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 2, because is it not divisible, we can fill with the same number and write number 3 again here. So 1 and 3, because there is not factors among them, we can choose 3 as a factor. So 1 divided by 3 is 1 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. And stop the operation until the both of the last table is number 1. So the LCM is the number on the outside of the table. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 24. So we have LCM is 24. Now do the exercise. Number 1, using the table, I have 15 and 45 here. We can choose number 5 as a factors of 15 and 45, because 15 and 45 can divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 45 divided by 5 is 9. And now what is the number who can divide both of them? We can choose 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Because there is no number who can divide 1 and 3 or divisible 1 and 3, we can choose 3 as a number who can divide both of them, or as a factor. 1 divided by 3, because it's not divisible, we can fill with the same number. And then 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you only can stop the table operation until each of the table is number 1. So the LCM is the number on the outside of the table. 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 45. Number 2, 24 and 12. What is the number who can divide 24 and 12? We can choose 2, 4, or 6. In this case, I choose 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. We have 3 and 6. What is the number who can divide 6 and 3? We can choose number 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Because 2 and 1 doesn't have a number who can divide both of them, you can choose 2 as a factors of 2 and 1. Don't choose number 2 because we are going to make it number 1 in the last of our table. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2, because that is not divisible, you can fill with the same number. So the LCM is 4 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24. Now, besides listing the multiples, there is 2 methods to find the LCM. The second method is using factor trees. 8 is the multiplication of number 2 and 4. You need to find the multiplication that equal to first number and then continue until we find the prime number in the last our factor trees. And then 2 times 6 is equal to 12, and then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So this is the factors of 8 and 12. To find the LCM, we need to looking for every same number and have a couple. If the same number have a couple appear in both of the number, just write once. And for every different number or factor who doesn't have a pair or couple, let them join to number of LCM. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Or we can write 2 to the power of 3 times 3. And this is the tips. Choose the bigger power of the same factor, and it will be 2 to the power of 3 times 3 is equal to 24. This is the way to find the LCM. Now let's go to the exercise. Let's find the LCM of this number. 28 is the multiplication of 2 and 14, and 14 is 2 times 7. 24, 2 times 12, and then 12 is 2 times 6. 6 is 2 times 3, and don't forget to circle for every prime numbers. So this is the factors of the numbers 28 and 24. So the LCM will be 2, because 2 is same number and have a couple. 2 times 2 times 2, don't forget, and then times 3 times 7. Because 7 is the difference number and doesn't have a couple, let 7 join to LCM and is equal to 168. Now let's go to second number. 12 is equal to 2 times 6, and 6 equal to 2 times 3. 16 is 2 times 8, and 8 is the multiplication of 2 and 4. 4 the multiplication of 2 and 2. This is the factors of 12 and 16. And for same number who have pair or couple, we can circle it and write once. And then for same number who doesn't have a couple, we also have to join them to our LCM with the difference number. In this case is 3 as a difference number.